Traveling can be a lot of fun, but you need to pack a few things too. So, 10 must have things to pack for every vacation. 1. Your toiletries. These include your essentials like cleansers, soap, toothpaste, brush, napkins, etc. And don't forget sanitizers. 2. Electronics. Your phones, chargers, laptops, and adapters, and any more electronics if you want to. 3. Travel towels. Towels are very important to carry, so whenever you carry one, make sure you carry a clean towel. 4. Clothes. What are you gonna wear if you don't pack any clothes? Yeah, so pack your clothes including garments and PJs. 5. Shoes and flip-flops. Footwear is a must while traveling, so carry with you a pair of sneakers and a pair of flip-flops. 6 is a camera. If you're going on a vacation and you want to capture a few stills, then you need a camera, right? 7. First aid kit. Anywhere you go, first aid kit is a must. You should be prepared for anything. And accessories. Accessories include your makeup or hats, creams, backpacks, and any other things you want to include. And a water bottle. This is a must. You should hydrate yourself from time to time. And last, and our favorite, snacks. Of course, you need something to munch on while traveling. And you're done. That's it. So, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and yeah, pretty much that, and like, share and subscribe.